This is Tony Victor, and I'll be doing another reading from In Search of the Miraculous. In one of the groups, Gurdjieff was asked, "How does one become a Christian?" He says, "First of all, it is necessary to understand that a Christian is not a man who calls himself a Christian or whom others call a Christian. A Christian is one who lives in accordance with Christ's precepts. Such as we are, we cannot be Christians. In order to be Christians, we must be able to do. We cannot do. With us, everything happens. Christ says, 'Love your enemies,' but how can we love our enemies when we cannot even love our friends? Sometimes it loves, and sometimes it does not love. Such as we are, we cannot even really desire to be Christians because, again, sometimes it desires and sometimes it does not desire. And one and the same thing cannot be desired for long because suddenly, instead of desiring to be a Christian, a man remembers a very good but very expensive carpet that he has seen in a shop, and instead of wishing to be a Christian, he begins to think, how can he manage to buy this carpet, forgetting all about Christianity? Or, if somebody else does not believe what a wonderful Christian he is, he will be ready to eat him alive or to roast him on hot coals. In order to be a good Christian, one must be. To be means to be master of oneself. If a man is not his own master, he has nothing and can have nothing, and he cannot be a Christian. He is simply a machine, an automaton. A machine cannot be a Christian. Think for yourselves, is it possible for a motor car or a typewriter or a gramophone to be a Christian? They are simply things which are controlled by chance. They are not responsible. They are machines. To be a Christian means to be responsible. Responsibility comes later when a man even partially ceases to be a machine and begins, in fact, and not only in words, to desire to be a Christian. So in short, to kind of speak on what he had just said there, he was essentially saying that nothing in man is permanent enough for him to have permanent values. Christian values, or whatever values one may have religiously, are impermanent in favor of other desires. When a desire overwhelms a man, he becomes someone else in a single moment. He's not the same person. He's not a Christian in that moment. He is his desire. And that's the beginning of the journey of self-observation and alchemy. Thanks for watching. Go to my project page at kundaliniquicksilver.com to find out how you can get this book and the tarot deck as a free gift. Like and subscribe to my YouTube and Instagram, Quicksilver Astrology. Thanks.